Alright guys, what is going on? Today we have an unboxing from Overmodify. They sent this over to me. I've been waiting for it for quite a while now. I actually ordered this back in November and it's just now showing up. But this is actually going to be the livery that we're going to be running on the Genesis. The same one that you see in all of my Boostbunnyco designs. It's called the Sora livery. It is a preset livery. It's relatively inexpensive. So if you guys want to go ahead and run this on your car, I'll go ahead and tag Overmodify in the comments down here below. I think it ran about $275 when it was on sale. It might be around $300, $350, something like that right now. But this is the layout for the car. This is only the base of what we're going to be using for our livery. We're going to add the Boostbunnyco logo. We're going to be adding hopefully some sponsorship stickers if I can get some sponsors. But this won't be going on the car for maybe a couple weeks. I'm still waiting to get the motor back for the Genesis, although update on that, motor is almost finished. But it shouldn't be too hard to figure it out. Quality is just regular vinyl, and it's all one solid piece. I don't think it'll lay on the car like this. We can figure that out when we go to install it, but that'll be for another video. All right, sorry about the mess in the garage. Still waiting on the motor to get back. Along with the livery I have in that box, I have this mysterious box right here, which is actually chrome tints for the windows, which, if you guys already knew, I have red chrome, but you see it's starting to fade, and we're not going with the red color scheme anymore. We're going with chrome, so it's going to be blue, chrome, and white and black all throughout the car. So that'll tie in very nicely, as well as we have the blue and chrome steering wheel now. Update on the motor. We finally found bearings. They got delivered to Rob today, actually. And as soon as he finishes up that motor, we can get it back, toss it in. Once we get the motor back in, we can pull the car out. We can throw on the livery, put in the steering wheel, put on the tints, throw on the roll bar, and we're just gonna have so much stuff we could do. By the way, if anybody is looking for some PBM Pro coilovers with some white line sway bar end links, I do have those for sale. PM me.